January dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral add your sticker and where you can find it. So keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, you will have to go to the highlights section, click on Gen Dump, which is here, and then tap until you find your desired sticker. There we have it. Now click on the Add Yours button. And from here we will have to add some photos from January. For that, you will have to click on this button right here, which it will get you to your gallery. And you have to add your first photo. I will go with this one. Now you will have to make it smaller, place it in a corner. And now you will have to add another photo by clicking on the sticker from the top of the screen. Then you will have to click here on photo. Here you will find your gallery once again and you can choose your second photo. Then you have to go again on stickers, go to photos and choose your third photo and so on. I will just leave it like this, and once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends by clicking on this button right here from the left bottom corner. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I will make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.